Hebei Wang's Machinery Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in pulp molding equipment. The firm's headquarters is located in Economic Development Zone, Nanhuan Road, Lingshou County, Shijiazhuang City, Hebei Province, China, covering an area of 18,000 square meters. There are 3 production workshops and 1 spray painting workshop. Our company invested in fully automatic laser lines, fully automatic cutting lines, and fully automatic bending equipment, CNC machining center, and several mold engraving machines to manufacture more perfect equipment to serve every customer well. Our main business consists various types of egg tray production lines from 1,000 pieces per hour to 10,000 pieces per hour, design and development of pulp molding molds, and disposable degradable tableware production lines. Our company has an independent R&D department, and a variety of equipment is continuously updated every year with multiple patents. Our company has a mature sales network and a professional after-sales service team. Relying on unique experience and technology, the paper pulp tray production line and paper pulp molds stand out among many similar products. At present, users have spread all over the country, and the export volume of products is also increasing year by year. Our products are being accepted by more and more customers and have been exported to Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, and Africa, etc., all over the world. Welcome new and old customers to visit and negotiate with Hebei Wang's Machinery.